Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I have another amazing recipe that I want you all to try. You all are going to love this, your guests are going to love this, your children are going to love this. So today we're making some amazing achiote or Rouccou chicken tacos. Yes, you heard me, Rouccou chicken tacos. So let's start with one of the main ingredients, I would say, because I love a pickled onion on a taco. So we're gonna start pickling some onions. So to a glass jar or whatever container you have, we're going to place in one large red onion sliced, along with brown sugar, salt, pimento peppers, hot water, and white distilled vinegar. You can also use jalapeno peppers if you didn't have pimento peppers. And of course, you can eat the pimentos in the tacos also. So we're gonna add hot water to fill that up halfway and then top it off with that white distilled vinegar. You'd want to give this a good mix and allow it to cool down before placing it into your refrigerator overnight. Make sure and cover it before you place it in the refrigerator. Now the next day, this is what it's going to look like. It's gonna look slightly on the pink side. And the onion is gonna be really mild and sweet and has a slight crunch to it, and that's what you want. It's so easy to pickle onions. And if you wanted to add peppercorns and more items in that, you can. So let's season the chicken. So to my finely diced chicken, I'm adding in salt, black pepper, Rouccou powder or annatto powder, or if you have the liquid you can use that also, and this all-purpose seasoning. I love this all-purpose seasoning. So now we're going to go in with onions diced, pimentos diced, and scallions, or as we say in Trinidad, finely diced. We're going to give this a mix, and once mixed in properly, set this aside. Next, you're going to put up a skillet or a pot on a medium heat and add in oil. Once the oil is nice and warm, we're going to add in the chicken, and we're going to cook this until the chicken is done and any liquid that's in the pot evaporates. You can have a slight amount of sauce or liquid in there when it's finished cooking, but you don't want it really saucy, because you don't want the tacos to get soggy when you build them. So this is how it looks like, just a slight sauce to keep the meat nice and moist. And I'm going to remove this from the stove and set it aside. Next, let's char our taco wrappers. I'm using white corn tortillas. Feel free to use whatever you like. I do have a flour version already on my channel, so you can check that out. So we're just going to char these slightly until they look a little bit burnt on the edges. I love them when they char up. It actually adds more flavor to the taco, so you must not skip this step. So once it's done, we're going to remove it from the heat, and you can continue charring the rest. I just charred a few to show you guys, and let's start building the tacos. So to your taco shell, we're going to add the cooked chicken, some chopped tomatoes. I'm not doing a pico because we already made pickled onions. In goes some avocado, some of that pickled onions. I so love pickled onions on this. Now I'm using sour cream from the pouch, so that's why it went on like that. So, but you can add a dollop of sour cream, garnish with some cilantro, which, trust me, it adds flavor, and then finish with some grated cojita cheese, Mexican cheese, or whatever cheese you like. And now you simply enjoy. So please try this recipe. Comment down below, let me know what you think. I promise you will love it. Follow everything exactly like I did, and leave me your comments. Leave comments for future episodes that you would like to see, and thank you for joining me today. Bye everyone.